Welcome students on online class for subject physics for the standard 11th science, 12th science and above the 12th science class. The students who learn the subject physics as well as chemistry. Today we learn about logarithmic and mathematical table. In this video we learn logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine, logarithmic tangent. So when we see logarithmic sines, logarithmic cosines and logarithmic tangent, there are same procedure. There is same procedure for logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine, logarithmic tangent. The difference will be here in natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent, 0 point is there or 1 point is there. But here in logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine, here the value will be bar 3 point, bar 2 point, bar 2 point, bar 1 point and finally it is 0 point. In 89 degree 12 minutes. Similarly, means it is log. We know that in previous video we can see how log can be determined. So characteristics will be necessary. So here characteristics can be find out and then their value of that angle is given. So using these three, logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine and logarithmic tangent, we can solve the example. Suppose example is given as sine of 58 degree 19 minutes multiplied by cos of 54 minutes. Here degree is not given. When degree is not given, we can see only in minutes. Okay, tan 32 degree 49 minutes. This problem can be solved in two ways. See here, this is one way and here is second way. So first of all we want to see that logarithmic sine. So logarithmic sine for 58 degree. 58 degree it will be 58 degree here and 19 minutes. So bar 1 point here 18, bar 1.9298 and 1 minute is mean difference. This 1 minute is add, then it is bar 1.9299. So we can written as bar 1.9299. Okay, plus we can use the rule for multiplication, addition is there. Cos of 54 minute. See here, in whenever these minutes are given, then we can see that it is 0 degree. So cos 0 degree in 54 minutes, it is bar 1.9999. So here bar 1.9999. These two values are these two numbers given as in numerator. Here in denominator we can see that tan 32 degree. So 32 degree in 49 minutes. So 32 degree in 48 minute will be bar 1.8092 and 49 minute 92 and here 3 is given, means 92 and 3 95. So we can written as bar 1.8095. Okay, so here when we can add, that is 18, 19, 12, 19, 1 and minus 1 0. So it is bar 1 minus bar 1.80 8095. When this is subtraction, so 5 is subtracted from 8, 3 is remaining. 9 is subtracted from 9, 0 is remaining. 2 is remaining. 1 is remaining. And minus 1 minus becomes plus 1. And minus 1, it becomes 0 point. Take its antilog. We know previous lecture, that is antilog. For finding antilog, first we want to see point 12. Point 12 is there in 0. Point 12 is 13, 18, 1318, and mean difference 3. Mean difference 3 is 1. That is, answer will be 1.319 into 10 to the power 0, because 0 is there. So 10, any number whose power is 0 is 1. So it is 1.319. So your answer will be, for that example, answer will be 1.319. But in another way, if we can see here, sine 58 degree 90 minutes. First of all, we can find out natural sine. So natural sine 58 degree. 58 degree is there. 19 minutes are there. 19 minutes means 80 minutes and 1 minute. That is 98 minutes. So here its value will be 0.8510. Why? Because 2 is mean difference. 2 added, that is 10. So 8510, 0 point. So here cos 54 minute, when we can see natural cosine, then 54 minutes it will be here 1.1.1.1 point. That is another in 36 minutes 0 point, 0.999999. So here 0.9999 divided by tan 32 degree 49 minutes. 32 degree here and 49 minutes. So 49 minutes means 48. That is 6445, 0 point. And 4 is mean difference, means 1 minute 4 is there. So here 0.6449. Okay. So if we can take their log for numerator, denominator, here one procedure will be increase, that is C log and then antilog. When we can see the log, the characteristics for this value will be bar 1 point. For this value will be bar 1 point, their addition. So for 85 in 1, if we can see 85 in 1, that is 9299. Here 99 in 9 mean difference. So 99 in 9, that is 9996. Okay, and 9 is mean difference. This 9, it will be 4. When 4 is added, that will be what happen? 1.0000, means here that is 0 point, because bar 1 and 1 can be cancelled. So it is 0.0000. Okay, here bar 1 point, 64 in 4 and 9 is mean difference. 64 in 4, that is 8089, and 9 is mean difference, it will be 6. 6 means 8095. Okay, first we can add 9929 bar 1 point minus here minus 1 or bar 1 point 8095. What happened? 5 is subtracted, 4 is remaining, 0 is remaining, 2 is remaining, 1, and minus 1 minus plus 1, and here minus 1, it is 0 point. So take its antilog. What happen? If we can take antilog of 0.12 in 0, 0.12 in 0, that is 1318, and in 4, 1318, and in 4, that is 1 is added. So it is 1.319 into 10 to the power 0. So your answer will be 1.319, which is same, means first process or second process, first way or second way, it will be same. So we can solve it both the types. So if we can solve this way, one step is added, and if we solve logarithm, means logarithm sine, logarithm cosine, logarithm tangent, will be decrease the time. In very short time we can solve the numerical. Okay, so I give you a assignment. Simple assignment is given to you for solving. See here, if question is there, that is sine of 29 degree 49 minutes multiplied by sine of 53 degree 25 minutes. Easy way, if we can use log sine, then easy way, multiplication is there, so first of all add. Then denominator cos 32 degree 43 minutes multiplied by cos 42 degree 32 minutes. Using logarithm cosine, then they are add. The numerator adding value and denominator adding value, when subtracted, the value is given, and this value take its antilog, you get answer. If you cannot solve the numerical, then we can use natural sine, the value, natural sine, the value, natural cosine, the value, natural cosine, the value, then take logarithm, numerator is added, denominator value is also added, subtraction, and then their antilog, so you get answer. Here second example, sine 32 minutes multiplied by cos 59 minutes multiplied by tan 46 degree 32 minutes divided by cos 32 degree 14 minutes. If such type of example is given, then we can use logarithmic sine, logarithmic cosine, as well as logarithmic tan. Their values when put, numerator has 3 values, so we can add that value, that value, that value, and denominator having only one value. For addition, in this addition, subtract the value for cos 32 degree 14 minutes, then taking antilog, you get answer. Means these two examples can also solve your practice. Another way, this example can also solve for practice, that is sine 42 degree 39 minutes, sine 35 degree 42 minutes divided by cos 18 degree 42 minutes multiplied by tan 54 degree 29 minutes. This is also your assignment. So assignment gives 3 numericals, 3 problems. For solving the 3 problems, you get a perfection for calculation. When you are perfect in calculation, then you can solve various types of numerical which is asked in the subject physics as well as the subject chemistry.